Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
So in this module we are going to discuss about agenda of this particular module is what? Test design technique, test management, tool support for testing, and exercise and open house, all this stuff. Exercise means what? The interview questions and all. Okay.
Okay.
And what are the open house activity like beta testing? So let's
Okay.
discuss about the test design technique. So test design, act of creating and writing test suites for testing a software. Test suite means what? Collection of test case. Okay. Test analysis and identifying test conditions gives us fair idea of needed test coverage. Okay. So basically now here how to write the test case, right? Correct. So each
Yeah.
and every organization have different format. Each and every organization. But what is the base format? Base let me tell you. So I'm just going to make you as a presenter. Okay. First one, serial number. And one more thing, test case format is not constant or uniform for each and every organization.
Yeah. They'll have a template. They'll have a own template.
Yes, but the baseline will be same. Okay, serial
Yeah.
number. After that, test case ID. Yes, well, can you increase the width of it? Yes. Description. After that, steps. Okay. After can no wait. We have to add after that. After steps, you need to add actual result. After that, expected result. After that, status. So this is the basic format of writing the test case. Okay.
Okay.
You can give this format to any of your colleague and all. You are a manager, right? Suppose, and if you are going to handle any team, you can mention, you can write. This is a perfect. Okay. So always description should be, please give little bit more, width in column C. Yes, steps also. This is a Excel sheet, right?
Yeah.
The okay. Now select the row number first up to column number G. Up to G, that's all. Give some color and it should be always in yes or not green color. Green or red you should not use.
No, blue only I used. Blue is okay. No?
No, blue and green little bit, it is same. So because I will tell you what purpose red and blue. Yes, fine. Okay. Now select the up to 10th row. Okay, select entire thing and make it bold. up to G column, and give the border for all, border. Yes, save it. Now put 1 to 10. Fine.
Okay.
Little bit increase the width of no. Fine. Increase the width of column B. Okay, and let me type one ID, then you will understand. Just a second. Okay, type TC, capital TC underscore 001 00, not W,
Oh,
01 underscore login underscore whatever may be your application name. Suppose application means pen, or not pen, give some Naukri dot Naukri. Okay,
so it starts with project name, no? With a project name, with then with becomes with ID, something will come, no?
it depends upon your project how you are writing. It is not hard
Okay,
and
that
fast
doesn't
rule.
matter, no? That doesn't
Yeah,
matter, no?
doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay, usually first we have to identify the functionality which we are going to test, then we are going to put the project. Okay, or sometimes you can see that in so many project TC001 underscore login, TC underscore 002 login 2 3 4 5, and then they are going to check. So it depends. It doesn't matter anything. It is what, for better understanding how your project, people are writing. Now in the description, so understood how to give the test case ID, right?
Yeah, that got no.
So give one more ID, TC underscore 002. No, not there. That is description here in row number 2. Yes. Copy paste above and just log in underscore Naukri. Okay, now verify. Write down the description. First test case. Verify the login functionality. No, but write down like that. Let it be. Verify and validate. Verify and validate the login functionality of Naukri application. Do some, what is that? How to?
Yeah, that I know. I got it. What you're saying, format.
Format cell, yes. Wrap.
This I used to do it.
Okay. With no, after Naukri application, with valid username and valid password, and valid password, both should be valid. Okay, copy the same thing, paste it. In place of valid username, just put invalid. IN. That's all. Okay. Okay. Once again, copy the second one. Make it third. Yeah. TC3, TC4, TC5 up to 5, 6 you can put. Five, not 5, not 4, 5, 5.
No.
This is very much important, how to write the test cases. Practical, how you have, you learn all the definition theoretically, okay, that is fine. But how to test, this is the procedure. Okay. Getting my point?
Yeah, no.
So just copy the second one description, paste it into yes, here make it invalid both. Okay, and wait, in place of invalid username, IN just remove. Okay, again copy and come to again copy the same thing. Now add invalid in before username. Now again copy same. Try to think how many possibility, okay. And here in place of invalid, remove invalid and before username. Remove invalid. Entire thing valid also remove. Okay. In place of with, write down without OUT. Without username and write down here valid password. Remove invalid. Okay, again copy above. Now with username without password. Remove the valid without password. This may happen, right? User can do it,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yes. Now next one more again copy one more test case. So are you able to think one more which what is the next test case for this functionality?
Forget username and forget password.
No, that is not, I am not testing, only login functionality, not forget functionality, forget password.
Okay.
Here one more thing, user is not going to enter anything, he is going to click on login. So copy that without username and without password. 7. Copy, paste. Without username, without password. Okay. Can you scroll down? Oh, no, little bit more. Okay, fine. So all the combination we have verified. Anything we have missed for login?
No, nothing. Everything's fine.
Okay, correct.
Yeah.
So one more thing, there is one more question is coming. What is negative testing? So without username, without password, invalid data. Okay. If we are going to test the scenario or test case with invalid data means what? Not a valid password or not a valid username, invalid username. Then it is known as negative test case, negative scenario. Understood?
Okay.
Getting negative
Yeah.
test case doesn't mean that we are going to test the application with negative value. There's a big confusion. Okay, so many, and I used to ask this question, and Maximum people are used to give the same answer like, okay, we can test with the negative value, not negative value, invalid value.
Invalid value.
Okay, now delete test case row number 8, 9, 10. These are not required. One more thing, after the writing the test case, okay, you should have to, there was a process, walkthrough, inspection, review, right? I have already explained you. So if you are writing the test case, you should connect with your test lead or business analyst, okay, whether I am covering all the scenario or not, because business analyst or product owner, they are knowing, I know if you are new in the team, okay, because they know more functionality, they know more aspects, they have the domain expertise, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to give the walkthrough. So you have written the test case, you are going to give the walkthrough to the business analyst, then they will give you some suggestion. Based on their suggestion also, you can add some more scenario. Clear?
Okay. Okay.
Now now come to actual result. Okay, so in actual result, first one is what? Valid username and valid password, right?
Yes.
So if you are going to use valid username and valid passwords, then user should able to log in, right?
Yes.
Correct. So write
Yes.
down in actual result, user should able to log in. So whenever we are going to write the actual result in the test case, we should use the word should. Okay, user should able to log in to Naukri application. And one more thing, whenever we are going to write the test case, each and everything should we have to describe. Like right now you have written user should able to log in, but which application? Getting my
Okay.
point?
Yeah, got it.
So those stuff we have to take care. These are the small things we used to forget. Copy above, paste it. After should not, just user should not be, because he is using what? User is using invalid username, right?
Yes.
So user should not able to log in. Same copy paste. Now because everywhere user is using invalid data, right?
Yeah.
Then the same result will be same, right? Actual result.
Yeah. Yes.
Now getting how to write the actual result. Copy paste. Every first one is, so with valid username and valid password is what? That is the positive test case. That is the actual correct action performing by the user. Try to understand. See concept. Try to understand that. And rest
Okay.
of the test case number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those test case are negative test case. A test case number 1 is what? Positive test case. So understood what is the difference between positive test case and negative test case? We are going to
Yes.
test the positive test case with valid data. We are going to test the negative test case with invalid data.
Okay.
Okay. And we have to test the negative scenario in any application. That is the mandatory, you can say that it is a mandatory task for tester.
Yeah.
See, we know
Because
that
any special character should not allow. That is also one of the thing. And the
see,
username.
a special character, it will include invalid username itself. In username, I am
Okay.
just giving some special. Invalid means it covers each and everything.
Okay. Okay.
If I'm going to write, okay, first time user is going to write hash, second time user is going to write dollar, then how many test case? I told you, right?
Yeah.
Equivalence class partitioning.
Okay.
So you
Okay.
should
Got
be
it.
smart while writing the test case.
Okay.
If someone is going to ask, any business analyst is going to ask you, no, you can do this and that, you should explain it. If I have written invalid means what? I'm going to include those data, invalid data.
Okay.
Fine. Clear?
Okay. Clear.
Now when we are going to write the expected result and status, when actual execution we are going to perform. Okay, sometimes user is able to if, and how we are going to say that test case is pass or fail. If actual result and expected result both are same, okay, then we can say that pass.
Okay.
Clear? If
Okay.
expected and actual result are not same, then we can say that fail. So pass will be indicated by green color. That's the reason I told you do not use the green color. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
let me suppose you have given the valid username and valid password to log in to the naukri.com. Copy that actual result. First one. No, actual result.
Ah, okay.
Yes. Copy and paste into the expected result. Suppose it is what? Same it is. In place of whenever you are writing the expected result, in place of should, you have to use user is able to log in. Now got
Okay.
it?
Yeah.
Should is what? Mandatory, right?
Okay.
When we are going to see little bit English also, we should take care of all this stuff. When we have to use should, when we have to use is, are. Okay.
Okay.
So now you can see that little bit increase width. Yeah. Now you can see that for the first test case, expected and actual result both are same, right? You have
Yeah.
login. Suppose actually we are not executing right now, but I'm just explaining you.
Yeah.
Fine. So
Hmm.
this is what. Suppose you are able to log in with valid username, valid password. Then you have to mark as a status like pass, right?
Yes.
It is pass. I told you, right? If actual
Yeah.
result and expected result both are same, then
Yeah.
we have to mark as pass. So write
Yeah.
down pass
Okay.
in bold, and always write down PASS in caps. Okay, and copy this and make it in green color. Yes, box should be in green color. Okay.
Okay.
Next, again copy the first expected result and paste into the second. Yeah, and wait, let me explain you. Here, user your actual result is what? User should not able to log in, but here user is able to log in. Suppose, right? If user is using invalid username also, he is able to log in. It means
Yeah.
what? Test case is fail because
Failure.
actual result and expected result. So we have to FAIL fail, and it should be in red color. Okay, now got it. When to
Yeah.
put fail, when to put pass.
Okay.
So understood when to write pass and fail.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
Yeah. So how to write test case ID, it is clear. How to
Okay.
write description, it is clear. How to
Yes.
write actual result, it is clear.
Oh,
How to
sometime.
write
One
yeah,
more question. Sorry to interrupt you.
yeah, please go ahead.
Sometimes they'll have some functionality issues will come. They'll check with the business something. For that, how they will do this clarification kind of thing? Suppose the expected different from the thing. So in that case, how they will make it status other than this one?
Okay, other than
See,
let me give you I can understand what.
see,
So there
some
is
of the
one
business
reset.
functionality, like 5 scenarios. In that another scenario is coming. So whether we have to take it or not, what should be then sometimes testing guys won't have the clear idea. So in that case, what should be the thing?
He should going to take the help from the product owner.
Okay,
Okay, product
okay.
owner is
Because in
going
that
to,
case, what will be the status will come here?
sorry, status.
Ah,
Okay, out of scope for this sprint.
okay. Out of scope. Okay,
Out of scope. And also you
okay.
have to mention who have and who have as per business, like in there is one after status. Wait, after status, create one more that is comment, one more column, comments. Okay, Scroll a little bit, make all the, then I will tell you. It's a good question. Good. Actually, this was, this is from, these things I'm going to explain you in Agile, but you have asked. Okay. So right now I'm going to explain.
Yeah. Okay.
So in status, just mention out of scope. Comments out of scope.
Oh, fine.
Yeah. In comments also, as per the business, write down as per the business. Do on one more thing. Do not write any names and all.
Hmm.
See, usually, if some freshers used to write down, okay, Mr. Arun have told me this is out of scope. No, as per Arun, you should always use the team name.
Okay.
If you are indicating any name, it means what? You are going to give the blame on that particular person.
Okay.
Okay, that is not the rule of Agile,
Hmm.
policy of Agile. As per the
Okay.
business, this scenario, this test case is out of scope. Out of scope for this sprint. Maybe in future they are going to add. It may happen or not.
Yeah.
Okay.
This kind of thing used to come. That's why I asked you.
Yeah. Please see, that is what these kind of thing. If in the real, if you're going to work in a real project, then you will, understood when I have to write.
Yeah.
Okay. And wait. Now you can understand that test case number 3 is not in scope with this current sprint, right?
Yeah.
Then you have to make, so there is one color also. That color is that color should be in yellow color. Select entire row for test case 3. No, entire row. Click on for entire row. Entire yellow.
Okay.
Yellow color is there now.
Where?
Yeah, yellow. Standard colors. Standard below standard colors. Not there, below.
Wow.
Yes.
But this is green, no? Oh, the
No,
yellow
this
was.
is yellow, man. How
Okay.
this is?
It's.
What
I thought of
happened?
it's green. I thought it's.
Green. Not green. Okay. So
Okay.
those kind of test scenario we used to highlight in yellow
Hmm.
color.
Okay.
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 Now one more, no, and in status out of scope, just write down out of scope. That's all. And in comment section, you need to write entire things. Now,
Okay.
also suppose there maybe the status will come like, there are so many like 200 test scenarios are there or test cases are there, right? But it is not
Hmm.
possible for you to execute each and every test case, right? Today, within one day, right?
Yes.
Then what you will do? What will be the status you are going to send to your manager or your
Hmm.
director?
Pending. I'll mention it.
Not pending. Pending, it means what? You are going to indicating that you haven't done your work. Do not use
Okay.
these kind of word in Agile.
Okay.
Okay. See, Agile testing. We are studying Agile testing, not a simple testing. I'm just included. So we have to use not executed.
Okay.
Do not take on blame on you or your testing team.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, what happened? Not
No, that's
executed. Why you are writing not executed everywhere?
just okay. Only one is enough, huh?
Yeah. One example of each and every status I'm trying to give you,
Okay.
so that it will be easy for you in future
Uh,
reference. Okay, when to write. So not executed, it means what? You have to mention. So they are going to ask you the question, why you have not executed? Correct?
yeah.
This kind of question may. So in the comment section, you have to mention. Okay.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan and grow your skills immensely.
There are 2-3 scenarios. Either it is not P1 test scenario, right? Either
Yes.
P1 is what? Priority one. Second one is what? Either the test data is not in available, right?
Yes.
Invalid username and valid password, these are what? Test data is not available. Maybe third scenario is what? Functionality is not ready. Maybe in do not think about right now the login only. Maybe their forget password is not ready. You have written the test case 200 within the 200 test case, right? So functionality is not ready or not came for testing. So write down all the all the steps. First one, not executed. Write down number one. Functionality is not ready for testing. This is one scenario. Second, enter it. Okay, what I said second?
Functionality is not ready and data is not ready.
Test data is not ready to to test this. Okay, to test to test. Number third. Okay, we have taken the P1 scenario first. We have taken the P1 scenario. Okay, or just mention it is not P1 scenario. Okay, right now just mention it is not P1 scenario. Okay, will execute later. If time permits, we'll execute later. If time permits, because see, if you are going to give the tester for only 1 day, then he's going to check only P1 scenario. He is not going to check each and every scenario, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Clear? And maybe other case also there. Suppose that testers are on vacation and anything, right? So there are so many scenarios. So only the these are the project scenario, which project comments which you can mention in your test case. Clear?
Okay.
Correct or not? Tell me.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Now there is also one more test case. Status is what? Suppose you in a test case there are several steps, right? Step one. Oh, let me first explain you how to write the steps. Come to column D, first one, first test case. Write down number one. Open the URL. Open the below URL. Open the below URL and go to enter it. Also wrap this text. Okay. No, do not give number two. Little bit increase the width of column. Increase the width of column D. Okay. Now go to Google. Just type naukri.com, https naukri.com. Naukri login. Yeah, copy the URL. Yes. After that, after giving the space, it should be in highlighted, right? Why it is not highlighting? Give the
1 minute.
space. Only
No,
space.
actually, double quotes.
Double quotes. No, double quotes is not required.
Probably it should come. I don't know. Okay, leave it. No problem.
Okay. Enter it. Enter it. Number 2.
Yeah.
In the same column, not the same,
Okay.
number 2. Enter the valid username. Again, enter. Third number. Enter the valid password. Enter. Again, enter. Number 4. Click on login button. Fine. So these are the 5 steps you need to write for executing the first scenario, right?
Yeah.
Correct. So
Yeah.
if you are going to write in this way steps, any one layman also can understand how to
Yes.
perform this particular action. So as a tester, you should always specify each and every steps.
Okay.
Now got it?
Okay.
Now one more scenario will come. Suppose out of 4, user is able to open the naukri.com, user is able to enter valid username, user is able to enter valid password, but user is not able to click on login. Correct? It may happen.
Yeah.
So then you can see that partially it is passed, right?
Yes.
Out of 4 steps, 3 steps you are able to perform, but
Yes.
4th step you are not able to. So there is one more status, right?
Okay.
Partially pass. Now come to test case number 5. Test case number 5 and mention here in the status partially passed. Now understood when we have to write the partially pass.
Yes, got it.
Okay. Now you have to mention in the comment section step 1, step 2, step 3, step 1, step 2, step 3 is executed successfully with correct result. In step 4, in step 4, user is not able to click on login button. See, if you are going to search on Google, they will explain you only pass and fail. That's all. Either pass and either fail. But
Okay.
these things we used to give in training because because you can search. Okay, same thing you can mention, but here you need to in the steps you need to change. Here you are saying without username, without password, right?
Yes.
So just mention
Enter the without. Okay.
hey, what is this? Enter the without username. What is this?
Oh, sorry.
You have to frame sentence like that. Do not enter anything in user name text box. Do not enter. Do not enter username. That's all. Do not enter username. Remove any. Do not enter password.
No, and valid password it's saying, without this and enter the valid.
Okay, valid password. Okay, I thought both are. Okay, fine.
Yeah,
Scroll
I
down.
got it.
Okay, so partially passed, got it, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Sometimes what happen earlier, earlier out of scope, there is one more scenario. Okay, maybe earlier they have discussed at the beginning of the project, they can, going to develop this particular functionality. But after few sprint, they realize that it is not a valid requirement, or maybe this is not a valid business case, or maybe after sometimes what happened, the client asks you, do not please remove this functionality, right?
Okay.
Suppose you have an application which consists of 10 modules, right? In the 10 modules, if you are going to if client have asked you, okay, please delete module number, remove the module number 8 and 9, then you have to remove because they don't require, right? So but
Yes.
in a test case, you have written the test case for module 8 or 9 also. Try to understand
Yes.
the scenario in bigger picture.
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Okay, then what will be your status?
Status will be on hold.
Out of scope, not on hold.
Okay. Out of scope. Okay. Okay.
Mention out of scope. Put out of
Okay.
scope in test case numbers or 6. Okay, let it be yellow color, and mention that when we have to write also one more region, removed functionality by client, or as per the client we have to remove this functionality from the application. Just mention as per the client. This is not a valid statement. As per the client, as per the client or business,
Business.
what it may be. This test case is, or this functionality is removed. This functionality is removed from the application. Try to think all the scenario, what will happen in the project and all.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah.
if you understand the status, okay, and how to write the test case, actual and all, this particular framework, then you
No.
can. Yes.
Suppose this functionality, okay, it will go in the second sprint, means what? In that case, how it will be thing status?
Out of scope only, and
Out
as
of
per the
scope.
business, yeah, test case is out of scope for this sprint, but maybe in the next sprint you can mention out of scope, and again you can mention this particular, as per the business, this test case we are going to take in next sprint,
Okay.
or
Got
sprint
it.
number this, but the
Okay.
status will be out of scope only the comment will change.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay. Okay, now after that, suppose you are a junior tester, it may happen. Then after writing the test scenario, you have your test lead is going to review, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so just scroll down. There is seat 1 and seat 2. Scroll down, show me the seat 1 and seat 2. Not this is I'm in below, I'm not able to see. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, now I'm able to see seat 1 we have completed. Okay, can you interchange seat 2 this side and seat 2 this side? Yes. Now here in the middle of that, middle of this page, okay, write down created by. Next in the next row, date, application name, review by, wait, review date, and in place of date, creation date.
Hmm.
Now wait, first wait, now I'm going to tell you. First, in the next column J, copy the application name. First, copy the application name and put in front of created by. Yes, increase the width. Okay, after that, created by, copy that, created by first, and put it in below the application name. Copy creation date, put there. Again, review by, review date. Okay, now select from the row number 8 application, from application name, both the column J and K, and make it in bold. And also give the border. Increase the width of this. Okay, application name, write down naukri.com. Okay, created by, write your Arun Kumar, whatever your full name. Creation date, today's date, 19/5, like that, write down. May, yes, correct. Reviewed by Rohit. Review by Rohit. And date will be same. Today's date, because today I have reviewed, right?
Okay.
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 Can you increase the width?
Which one you want to?
Width of row, all the rows. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. All rows. Okay. Now give the color. Select all the 4 rows. Yeah. Go there, and any column as per your project, you can select any colors. Not
Okay.
yellow color, do not select. Yellow.
This is not yellow. This is
Yeah,
something.
but related with color, yellow color, do not say, because that do not use another color. Yes, these are fine. Okay.
Okay.
And one more thing. After that, after review date, okay, this is now. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what, add one more sheet. Okay. Write down serial number. Name. Okay. But not name, approved by. Approved by. Means what? You have test case, you have written, but who have approved this test case, right? Okay. And proof. So you must have some email, right?
Yes.
You are going to attach the email in proof. Okay. Now give the box. Okay. Serial number 1, approved by Rohit. Okay, proof email attached. Okay, and also one more column you have to add comment and give the border for comments also. Fine. Rohit email attach comments. Okay, comments if you have already NA. If he is delaying and all, suppose you have sent today email, but you are getting the response after 5 days, right?
Yeah.
It may happen or not, because
Yeah. I know.
so after 5 days, if you will get, then you are going to execute the testing later, right? Execution
Yes.
will be delayed, right?
Yeah.
So execution will be delayed. It means what?
It will be affect the project timeline.
Yes. So you in the comment section, sending email date, you have to mention. Approval date, you have to mention. Okay, so that nothing should be come under your head.
Okay. Okay.
Clear?
Yeah. Correct.
So this, see, explaining all the concept is different thing, but practically you are going to work in this way.
Okay.
So this is more important, which today I have explained you. This is the most
Okay.
important part.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
So this particular format you will not get in Google. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now
Is there any software they'll use for this test cases? Anything they'll use? Any application they use?
in Excel only we are going to write the test case, manual test case. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. No. No. In the organization,
Automation
because the organization I have not interacted with this testing idea, because they will use any uh,
tool
any
to write the
application.
test case.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So yes, there are so many tools. Your first tool is what? Just now I have given you the training.
Excel.
You have written the test case.
Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps.
Yes, Azure DevOps. Second tool
Okay.
is TFS. Third tool is
Sorry.
TFS.
VFS. Okay.
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 Third tool is MTM. Fourth tool is what? HPLM. Okay.
Okay.
I worked all these tools. That's the reason I know.
Okay.
Fifth tool
Okay.
is VSTS. Okay. There are so many tools are there.
Okay.
But first time you are going to write the test case here, and you can upload the test case there. And also in IBM there is a RQM. Okay. IBM in-house product, IBM product, RQM. That also you can just write the test case and you can upload the Excel. It will be reflected.
Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Now wait. It's not finished. Now seat first. Seat first. No, not seat first. Sorry. Seat second. Right click and rename this seat to. What name as per your understanding?
This is kind of information, no?
Tell me.
Contents or something? Not contents. No idea. Seriously.
Login functionality.
Sheet 2, or because sheet 2, this is the one, no? This is the one, sheet 2.
No. Seat 2 login. Just write down login.
Here.
No. Seat 2. Seat 2.
Okay.
Naukri. First mention or login. Yeah. Login underscore Naukri. Anyway, you can underscore Naukri. That's all. Now next is interchange. No, first and third. Interchange. Make it first is second, and then please.
This one?
No. Oh yes. Now right click sheet 1, write down test plan or test case. Okay, yeah, that's all. Test case, login is written, no need. Test case, that's all. Now sheet 3rd, approval, that's all. This is the standard name. First tab is going to give you the information which functionality you have written the test case. Second functionality is going to give you the test case. Okay, third functionality is going to give you the approval.
Okay.
Now clear?
Okay, got it.
Okay, clear or not?
Yeah, clear.
Now all the steps you can write it, right? Step 2, step 3, step 4 for all the test cases you can write, right?
Yeah.
So tomorrow this is your task, you have to write all the steps. Okay, only steps are pending, rest of things you see. One more thing. Hello?
Which one here? The remaining 3, yeah?
Yeah, let it be, that is not required.
No. Which one you asked me to for write? Ask you saying.
Steps, column D, for column D.
Okay. Here. Okay.
Steps, yes, here.
Okay.
Add that, those columns. Okay, you need to
Okay.
fill. One more thing. One more. Scroll up little bit. See, in write expected result, click on expected result. No, expected first one. Yes, right click. There is a comment is there, right? Insert comment. Yeah, click that. Here mention after execution. Write down after your execution. We have to fill this column. Okay, execution means what? You are going to do the validation, right? Actual, you are going to execute. Actually, you are working on the application. Getting my point?
Yes.
Okay, that's all. Control S. Got it? Why I have mentioned you, so that you will not forget in future when to write expected result. First time, whenever you are going to design the test case, you have to write only serial number, test case ID, description, steps, actual result, up to actual result. Sorry. Clear? Arun?
Yeah, clear. Yeah, clear.
Now right, I can right click in actual result. Right click, insert comment. Okay, insert comment. Okay, here, as per the requirement, as per the business requirement, we have to fill this column. Correct? This is the user requirement, right?
Yeah.
User should able to. This is for future reference. I'm just why I'm giving you all the comments. Okay, now again come to the steps. Right click on that. I want to finish this topic today. Okay, so let it be, it's 8 to 40 here. It's going little bit more than 1 hour. So here we have to write down, we have to mention each and every steps. Okay, we have to mention each and every steps for the test case, or just steps, that's all. For that, remove that, you can understand. No needs. Okay, steps, that's all. Control S. Right? Okay, description, right click. We have to describe the.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D 99 plan and grow your skills immensely.
you have to describe the functionality of the application which we are going to test. Clear?
Yeah.
Now come to test case ID. Right click. As per the application and standard of the organization and testing standard, sorry, and testing standard of the organization. Okay, that's all. Organization, we are going to give the name, that's all. Control S. Okay, now come to status. Right click. Okay, if number one, if actual result equals to expected result, then we fill pass, then we fill or we can write pass. Second number, if actual result is not equal to expected result, these document please keep handy with you so that you will not forget in lifetime. And especially for giving information to you, I'm especially the way you are working, I'm very much happy. Okay, for you are eager to learn. This will happen in the project. What is few of the question you have asked, very good. Next is, if actual result is not equal to expected, we fail. Okay, that's all. And out of scope and all this stuff I have already explained you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so those stuff you can. Okay, now comments. Right click. As per the discussion, as per the condition and discussion, or condition is not the right word. Okay, as per the situation, right?
Yeah.
As per the situation and discussion with the business team, we have to fill this column. And one more thing, do not share these template with anyone. Okay, this is for
No,
you.
I am the only one. No, why should I share everything?
And
Yes,
if
I want.
anyone is going to ask you how to and all, do not share. These are what, especially in your organization, because see,
No.
if you are working in organization, no one is your best friend. Okay, only you will able to make only professional friend in the current organization. Okay,
Okay.
this is what primary rule which I in my with my experience. Clear? So any column which you are not able to understand right now, tell me. Any doubt
No, not
from today class?
clear everything.
Okay, so this is the real thing which you have to. Okay, now this is one assignment for you. Okay, I will give you later. Today just to fill steps. Tomorrow once we will connect, then I will explain you testing concept. Then I will give you some interview questions. Then also give you some of the thing to write the test case. Then you can send me. Fine.
Okay.
Oh, you are taking all the screenshots, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
for references, because video I have to go on
Yeah, it
check
will
the
take time to
time.
again. Yeah.
This one I can do the actual thing. What is there?
But my this is my kind of request is do not share these screenshot
No,
with
no,
anyone.
no, Rohit. See, for me, I am the only studying here. No one knows my office, everything, what I am doing there. So this is I'm just coping up with for a career point of view. That's why I was studying this one to go because the situation is very bad here. To be honest, here they
What
reduce the
happened?
salary also. They reduce the salary also for me.
Okay, here also in India. Okay.
So
Here
that's
also
why I want
any.
to. Yeah, that's why I want to come out and find out very good opportunity.
Yeah, in India also, the situation is not. In India also, situation is not no so much good.
But IT is good, no? Because I heard from my friends, they're not any detection has not happened.
Yeah. Nah, see, recently I've joined as a consulting, manager. So it is what it is not that much, you think that in India you will get a very good salary, but it isn't, It's only, if you are working there in Dubai, I'm here. So only my suggestion to you, do not share these notes and, the way I'm, I always want to try to give you more and more information. Correct? You have the
Yeah,
thing because personally, I think that you are, very good. You are a very good person, and also you are eager to learn. That is what, and rest of the things also you have, very good. I got a very good all this feedback and all this stuff. Okay, so that is what. Always continue with the same passion and always try to learn each and please invest some of the money, each and every year for your career growth. Then only you will improve.
yeah, that's why I'm
Otherwise,
doing this. Yeah, that's
and
why.
I'm here, I'm here to help you out. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. So let's, it's almost in 9 o'clock. I have another batch at,
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.